Hello friends, welcome back if you are returning, welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel. I'm a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have a 90-day update for you on the basic boutique box I purchased from Boutique by the Box a few months ago. So if you want to see if I actually made a profit on this box, make sure you stick around. So I've been loving sourcing from Boutique by the Box, and I don't know if they have this box available right now, but if they do restock, it was a great low cost of goods, which I'm a sucker for, and I was really trying to stock up for the holiday season. So here we are 90 days later, and I want to show you what sold and how much it sold for, and then at the very end, I will go over how much profit I made and give you my final verdict on the box and let you know if I think it was profitable and if I would order another one. I do have a lot of 90-day updates coming up. I did a lot of online sourcing back in October through December of 2022. So we are cycling through the 90-day updates now. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to watch. And drop me a like if you find this helpful. That helps my channel out a lot. And also, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know, in one of my last updates, you helped me settle the score of whether I should be drinking water or Powerade, or if Powerade was a substitute for water. And you guys very nicely let me know in the comments that my behavior was unacceptable and that I should be drinking water. So here's my water, just so y'all know. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Let me start off by saying there were a few items. It looks like there were a total of 11 items that I sold on Whatnot. I did a Whatnot show in November, really soon after I got this box. I had so much inventory, I needed to just get rid of a little bit of it. So with this, my cost per item was $3.63 per item. There were 51 items in the box. The box cost me $185 total, and everything on Whatnot sold from $4 to $10. I actually did not lose money on any of the items because the cost of goods was so low. I don't have screenshots to show you of those, but just keep that in mind as we go through, and then I will go through the rest of the sales with the screenshots over here on the side. So starting with the lowest selling item, there was a long sleeve t-shirt from the brand Gibson, and this sold for $8.55. This was a Poshmark bundle. I had this Lush ribbed mock neck sweater. This was a $10 Poshmark sale. Then I had this Charter Club plaid button front top, also a $10 Poshmark sale. So some pretty basic stuff to start us off here. There were these plain black leggings from the brand Hue. That was a $10 eBay sale. I had this pink sleep shirt from Ralph Lauren, which actually got a lot of attention. I ultimately ended up selling it for $13 after only 3 days. So I'm kind of wondering, could I maybe have gotten a little more for that? I guess I'm not sure. Then I had the Lulu's lounge shorts. Those sold for $13 on Mercari. This ribbed crop top, I actually had 2 of these. These were the same size and the same style. One sold for $15, one sold for $13, both on Mercari. Then I had this Riley and Ray tank top, almost like a shell that you would wear over or under a blazer or like a cardigan sweater. This sold for $11.89 on eBay, and that one took a couple months, but finally did sell. I had a Chaser muscle top. This one too got a lot of attention. Chaser does still sell for me pretty well, maybe not for a ton, but it does still sell. So this one sold for $11.89 on eBay as well. I did run I don't want to say a clearance sale, but I ran a big sale on eBay. So I did have some good sales on eBay. I had a green tie-dye long sleeve. The brand was Vintage Havana, which I think I actually still have another one of these. I received 2. I ordered 2 of these boxes. I think there was one in the second box as well, but this sold for $13 on eBay. I had these Tommy Hilfiger sweatpants. These sold for $14 on eBay. This Wild Fox on the Naughty List sweatshirt. Actually, I think it was a t-shirt. This t-shirt sold on eBay also, and this was an international sale, and I love international sales and seeing where they go to. So this one actually did go overseas. I had this white mock neck t-shirt from Lauren Ralph Lauren. That was a $15 eBay sale. The Free People ruffle shorts, that was a $15 eBay sale, which is great because I love it when shorts sell in the middle of winter. The other Chaser t-shirt, this was a gray one. This one sold for $13.99 on eBay. Then I had a pair of blue jogger sweatpants from Nike. That was a quick sale. They sold $21 on Mercari the very next day. The t-shirt dress from LA Made also sold on Mercari for $21. So that was a decent sale. The Guess bodysuit. And this was, I think, my favorite item in the whole box because of the color. I loved the color of this. It was called Root Beer for one. And it was just really, really like unique and fun. So that sold for $27 with an offer on Poshmark. The very next day I listed it. So I guess I wasn't the only one that really liked that one. There was a tan sweater from the brand Maroni, which I think I'm saying that right, but I'm not sure. That sold $30 on Poshmark, and that sold after only a week. So not sure where that brand is even sold, but that was a really quick sale. And then the highest selling item out of this box was the Grand High Witch sweatshirt, which was from the brand Wild Fox. And the timing was great on that because it sold like right before Halloween. It was a Halloween t-shirt. So I got top dollar for it, $47 on Mercari. So that is what's sold. That is a total of, including the whatnot sales, a total of 32. So 32 out of 51 have sold. Now let's quickly go through and just see like what I have left that has not sold as of yet. So I've got this sweater from 14th and Union. That is still here. Size extra large. I'm kind of surprised that that is still here, but not the best brand. So, okay. There's a red V-neck oversized sweater, which I actually sold in a bundle. And then I had to cancel the bundle because I couldn't find the other item. So for what it's worth, it did sell. Then I offered it to the person like to just sell this one shirt and they didn't want it. So I had to relist it. Wah, wah. I hate it when that happens. There's a gray cable knit sweater from the brand BP. I do still have that. It's a size extra small. It's BP. This red logo shirt from DKNY. Again, I did list it, but not the most sought after brand. Then there were 3 pieces from the brand International Concepts. There was a star camo shirt, the white ruffly sweater, and the silver one shoulder top, which I was really hoping would be a good sale like before New Year's. I thought it was cute to wear like for a New Year's Eve outfit, but that is still sitting here. Part of that might be my fault because I may have listed it too high. Not really sure. I've got this tank top from the brand Line and Dot, so that's still here. These 2 dresses from the brand Lucy Paris. Again, it's not a brand I've ever heard of, so I'm still trying to figure out where the interest is, what's the good price point. But one is like a silver, it's black with like embellishments, and it's more like a tunic. And then the other is a black tulle mesh dress. I welcome your suggestions for keywords on this dress because I think this is like a keyword piece and I'm not real sure where to go with it. So definitely help me out if you know. Here's the pair of shorts from the brand Maroni. Hopefully now that it's summertime, somebody will want those. I had a few pieces from the brand Nux, which is activewear. There were 2 sports bras and a tank top, and those are still here as well. Again, not a brand that I am familiar with. There were 3 t-shirts from the brand Prince Peter. Unfortunately, I have not sold any of these. I probably need to drop the price. I went based on how they retail, and I guess they don't have the retail value or the resale value that I was hoping they did. So I'm still focused on figuring out the price of those as well. I have this oversized lounge top from the brand Sanctuary. It is a basic top. And then these underwear. Random pair of underwear in this box. The brand is Style Stalker, which actually retails pretty high. I didn't know, but those are still here as well. So that's what's still here. Overall, just before I give you my final verdict, I will say I liked this box, not only because of the low cost of goods, but it really did give me a chance to check out Boutique by the Box, like almost like a sampler of what they have to offer. I know that they had like a Prince Peter box, a Nux box, an LA Made box, etc. that they were offering on their site. And I never had committed to like a whole box of that one brand. But it was nice to see some of the pieces so that I can kind of look and if they restock those or if I wanted to order those, could I, based on what they sent me in this box as a little sample, could I maybe get a whole lot of the same brand and have it be profitable? So it was really nice to see the mix of sizes and styles. And from that standpoint, I was really happy with this box. Everything was listable. I didn't have to toss anything out or not list anything. You know, they hand sort all of their merchandise, which was a definite plus. But really, what really matters ultimately is did I make any money? So with online liquidation, I want to double my money at the very least, right? So we're talking new with tag items like shelf pulls, things like that. I paid $185.13 for this box. And drum roll please, my profit on this box was $186.66. So I did exactly double my money. And I still have quite a few pieces left over. I still have the 19 pieces that are still here. So theoretically, once I kind of adjust, I am going to delist and relist all of these items and hopefully refresh them. I do like to delist and relist after 90 days. I use List Perfectly, so it's really, really easy to do, but I'll give it another chance. I'll maybe adjust the price a little bit and see if I can't move some of it out. I might take some of it to my local Uptown Cheapskate. Either way, I've already doubled my money, so at this point, anything else is just bonus, right? So would I order this box again? Yeah, I would. You know, I doubled my money and it was a great sample of what they offer. So I would love to see another box like this. I don't know if they plan to restock this box. I think it's kind of one of those things that's like whatever inventory they have on hand. So I will stay tuned. I will look out for this box again. If you are interested in Boutique by the Box, they did give me a discount code that I can use. You can use on, I think, anything on the site. The code is Oh Yeah, and there is a link down below if you want to check it out. So any box that's on the site, if you use that code, you'll get 10% off your order. I do get a small like referral bonus, but it's a win-win for both of us. So if you want to check it out, if you were going to shop anyway, you might as well get 10% off, right? So definitely check it out. Let me know what you think. Do you think that this was a profitable box? Or would you order this box based on the results of mine? I'm definitely interested to know. Let me know in the comments. Again, make sure you are subscribed. I am doing a slew of 90-day updates over the next month because all of this stuff I put online right before the holidays is starting to rotate into that 90 days. And drop me a like if you're still here because that helps out my channel so much. And I appreciate you watching. But that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next one.